show you how to fill out your art analysis sheet. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get into the week 5 assignment or module, click on the art analysis activity. And that's going to open it up. So for this activity, we're going to analyze 2 pieces of artwork. I want everybody to analyze the sculpture by Alexander Milov titled Love, and then you will have a choice of one of the other 3 here. To get started on it, you're going to click on the link. And you can make this full screen. And you're going to make 2 documents. So you're going to open this up. This is my copy. So again, this is not something you can edit. But you're going to go up and click File, Make a Copy. Put your last name in. And click OK. Now, I like to actually put this in a new window so that I can fill the sheet out and look at the artwork at the same time. So you can kind of minimize both so that you're sharing that screen. So there's the artwork. Here's the worksheet that you're filling out. So for the first one, you're going to put your name, you're going to put the title of the work, which is Love. That's the name of this sculpture right here. And I want you to spend just several minutes kind of taking a look at the artwork and using this outline in order, because we have to be able to describe and analyze and interpret before we can evaluate and create a judgment. Okay? You'll notice there's 3 dots for each one of these. That's a minimum. I want you to try to come up with as many different descriptions as possible for this piece of artwork. Think about the materials. Think about the setting. Think about what's being depicted. Are there multiple characters in it? Right? And there's guiding questions over here on the right. Next, you're going to analyze the piece. And this is where your list of elements and principles are going to come in. So if you want to get those notes out, I would strongly suggest doing that. What elements of art did the artist use to create this piece of artwork? Right? What types of lines, space, use of space, textures, colors, etc. And then what type of principles of design did they use? What type of balance does it have? Is there one thing the artist is trying to emphasize? What would you consider the subject to be? Etc. So once you've filled those out, the next part is the interpretation. What do you think this piece is about? How do you interpret it? Pretend you can climb inside the piece of art. How does it look? How does it sound? How does it make you feel? And do you think the title fits? And I've had several, and we're going to have a discussion about people's interpretations on this because a lot of people interpret this one differently. That's why I like to do this one first. And then the last part of the analysis is the evaluation and the judgment. Why do you think other people should see this work? What would you do if you owned it? What is worth remembering about this piece of work? Do you like it or not like it? And you're not being graded on, there's no right or wrong answer to that. I just want you to support whatever answer you come up with. If you like it, tell me what you like about it. If you dislike it, tell me what you dislike about it. Right? So you're going to fill those 4 sections out. When you're done, you're going to click File, Download, and PDF. right? Because it has to be a PDF to turn it in, just like we did with our Zentangle projects. So I'll have that. I save mine to my desktop. You save it to your downloads if you want. Now for the second one, right, you can click on this again. You're going to make another copy. You might title this one Worksheet number 2, just so you don't submit the same one twice. And then you get to choose which one of the other 3 you want to do a second analysis on. And then we're going to divide up and discuss these by choice in groups tomorrow in class.